Cricketers are paid heavily to represent their country, and even after their retirement, due to their popularity, they get several opportunities as commentators or even for brand endorsements. So it's logical that they have enough money to flaunt and purchase their dream cars. Today at Simli Chumma, we are going to take a look at the most expensive cars owned by Indian cricketers. Let's get on with the Missed by That Much segment first. Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan owns a Mercedes GL 350 CDI which costs 80 lakh rupees. Dinesh Karthik, Porsche Cayman S which costs 95 lakh rupees. Before you and I forget, do subscribe to Simli Chumma for more interesting videos on cricket and other sports. Number 10. Suresh Raina. Porsche Boxster S 1.18 crore rupees. Suresh Raina is one of the most stylish players in the game. Raina has played more than 226 ODIs and 78 T20 internationals. This CSK regular retired from international cricket in 2020. Undoubtedly, he's one of the richest cricketers in the nation. He owns a Porsche Boxster S. The car needs just 4.7 seconds to reach a speed of 100 km per hour and has a maximum speed of 275 km per hour. His car is yellow, the same as that of his IPL team, Chennai Super Kings. Number 9. Sourav Ganguly, BMW 7 Series, 1.2 crores. BCCI President, former Indian captain and one of the most loved cricketers of India. Sourav Ganguly has come a long way in his career, from that iconic century at Lord's to taking over Indian cricket as its boss. Just like many of his colleagues, for instance Sachin Tendulkar, Ganguly also loves cars, though his choices are rather more subdued. Ganguly has several old Mercedes cars and several BMWs, but Ganguly's most used car is the BMW 7 Series sedan. The 7 Series is kept in Mumbai and it's the car he uses to get around there. The starting price of a BMW 7 Series is 1.2 crore rupees. At number 8, we have Kapil Dev with his Porsche Panamera, 1.5 crores. One of India's greatest all-rounders ever, Kapil Dev is also one of the most loved cricket commentators. As we think these expensive cars are purchased only by recently retired or current cricketers, this cricket legend owns a Porsche Panamera premium sedan. With a fuel tank capacity of 80 liters, the Panamera can reach 100 km per hour in 5.6 seconds. Its maximum speed is faster than the BMW i8 owned by Sachin Tendulkar at 285 km per hour. At 7th place, we have Rohit Sharma and his BMW M5. This costs 1.5 crore rupees. Rohit Sharma will go down as one of the finest batsmen in the history of white ball cricket. Rohit has played 227 ODIs so far. He averages 48.96 in ODIs and has the highest score of 264, which remains to be the world record. Rohit has been the most successful captain in the history of IPL. He has captained Mumbai Indians to 5 IPL title victories. The opener owns a BMW M5, which is a car he always dreamt of owning. The powerful car is powered by a 4.4-litre turbocharged V8 petrol engine. It generates 560 bhp and a torque of 680 Nm. Apart from this, Rohit also owns BMW X3, Skoda Laura, and many more cars to name. But this remains his most expensive. Number 6. Sachin Tendulkar, BMW i8, 2.62 crore rupees. The god of cricket is the biggest ambassador of the game. With 200 test matches and 463 one-day internationals, he is the greatest player to have played the game. For over 24 years, he was the most important batsman in the Indian batting lineup, scoring 100 international hundreds in his career. Apart from all his connections with cricket, Sachin also owns a BMW i8. He is the brand ambassador for BMW in India. The car comes with a 1.5-litre cylinder petrol engine and an electric motor. This model generates a horsepower of 356 and 570 Newton-meter of torque. Apart from this car, Sachin also owns multiple BMWs. Number 5. MS Dhoni, GMC Sierra, 3 crores. It is impossible to have a list of cricketers owning high-end machines and not have MS Dhoni in it. Another World Cup winning Indian skipper, Dhoni's garage boasts of many high-end luxury cars. His Hummer is hugely popular, but only a few know that he owns a GMC Sierra, the price of which exceeds the Hummer by a large margin. The price of his GMC Sierra was around 3 crores when he bought it. Number 4. Hardik Pandya, Lamborghini Huracan Evo, 3.73 crore rupees. The dashing all-rounder Hardik Pandya is one of the best in business in recent times. His ability to score quick runs and pick up wickets in crucial times have made him one of the best in absolutely no time at all. Pandya has also a very unique sense of style, much like the Caribbeans. Pandya is well known for his opulent lifestyle. Currently, he has many luxury items to his name. The stylish all-rounder is the proud owner of the Lamborghini Huracan. It costs nearly 3.73 crore rupees. This car comes with a 5.2-liter V10 engine and can pick up a speed of 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds. He also owns a Land Rover Range Rover, which costs around 1.82 crore rupees. At third place is Virat Kohli with his Audi R8 V10 LMX at 3 crore rupees. Virat Kohli is the best batsman of this generation. For over a decade, he has ruled international cricket with the bat. He had to face many obstacles to get into the national squad. But the trust of his then-captain MS Dhoni paid off as he became one of the most iconic players in the history of the game. Kohli's success can be measured by the fact that he is one of the world's highest paid athletes. He has a brand value of 1,600 crore rupees. Because of his popularity, he is the preferred choice for many brands. Kohli also owns a restaurant in New Delhi. Kohli's Audi R8 V10 is a luxury car which costs around 3 crore rupees and is powered by a 5.7-liter V10 engine. It has a horsepower of 570 and a torque of 540 Newton-meter. It's no surprise that he is the brand ambassador of the luxury car company in India. Number 2. Yuvraj Singh, Lamborghini Murcielago, 3.6 crore rupees. Yuvraj Singh was India's most important player during the 2011 ICC World Cup and the 2007 T20 World Cup winning squad. Whenever the team was in a desperate situation, Yuvraj stood up and took charge. Adding on, he was a terrific fielder during his playing days. Yuvraj owns a Lamborghini Murcielago. This car has a 6.12 liters petrol engine. Apart from that, it can attain a maximum speed of 342 km per hour. Well, this is the fastest car on this list. Just like Yuvraj was the fastest player on the field during his prime, he owns an orange variant of this car. Number 1 on our list today is Virendra Sehwag with his Bentley Continental Flying Spur, 3.8 crore rupees. Virendra Sehwag was such a treat to watch. He can be termed as the man who changed test matches to the way they are played or seen today. He is one of the most destructive batsmen of his era. Apart from that, he was the vice-captain of the Indian team. He scored a double century in the limited overs format against the West Indies in 2011 at Indore. Adding to that, he provided great starts to the Indian team during the 2011 World Cup. Sehwag owns a Bentley Continental Flying Spur. It takes just 5.2 seconds to reach the speed of 100 km per hour. Also, it can reach a maximum speed of 183 km per hour. The former opener owns a silver model of the car. All the prices mentioned here are based on road price. After tax, the price is sure to shoot up by at least a crore or more. These celebrities surely know how to live life king size, don't they? Hope you enjoyed our video. If yes, then show us your love and support by pressing the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to Simli Chuma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.